Hey, good morning, Buc-ee here. I'm in front of Target. Let's go see if they got any Halloween or fall stuff in there. Stay with me. There's fall stuff there. Uh-oh. That's too far. That's hot. This Thanksgiving stuff. Hey, Buc-ee here. Guess where I'm at today? I'm at Dunkin' Donuts. I'm gonna check out the pumpkin stuff they got for the pumpkin. Pumped up for pumpkins. What we got here? Pumpkin spice latte. They got it out. Let's see what we got. Let's see what kind of pumpkin or fall stuff you got. So you got
pumpkin donuts, pumpkin munchkins, we have the pumpkin lattes or iced coffees. Right. And muffins as well.
Oh wow, muffins.
And that's actually all the muffins we have today is the pumpkin.
Let me get 2 of the glazed pumpkin ones behind you there.
The donuts?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
Give me a pumpkin latte.
What size?
Small.
And that was iced or hot?
Iced.
Okay. Do you want the signature one or do you want the regular one?
The signature one.
Signature one? Okay. Small, ice.
That'll work.
Oh, where is it?
Good morning. I made it back home from Dunkin' Donuts this day. And I got my pumpkin spice donut here. Got me some pumpkin spice Dunkin' Donut K-Cups here. I got some Starbucks pumpkin spice K-Cups. Got me a pumpkin spice Chobani zero sugar yogurt. And got some pumpkin latte creamer over here. I'm really enjoying it. With my Halloween mug I bought up in Buc-ee's. It's a good donut. Tastes like pumpkin, spice, delicious. Some coffee. You go to Dunkin' Donuts and get some for yourself. It's fall. No matter if it's August, it's fall. Remember, it's fall. Go away, hot weather. Boo. That's a good mug. $7 at Buc-ee's and Florence.